Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we are going to unveil some hidden secrets about AI, surprising everyday applications you never knew existed. So let's get started. Did you know that AI is used in our smartphones? That's right. From voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant to facial recognition unlocking systems, AI is making our daily tasks a whole lot easier. Moving on, AI is also revolutionizing the healthcare industry. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently by analyzing medical data, MRI scans, and X-rays. AI algorithms can even predict medical emergencies based on patient records. It's truly life-changing. Let's talk about transportation. AI is at the core of self-driving cars, improving safety on the roads. But it's not just limited to that. AI is used in traffic monitoring systems, optimizing traffic flow, and reducing congestion. So next time you're stuck in traffic, thank AI for trying to make your journey smoother. Are you a shopaholic? Well, AI has got your back. E-commerce platforms use AI algorithms to recommend products based on your shopping history and preferences. It's like having a personal shopping assistant, always ready to help you find that perfect item. Now, let's take a look at the energy sector. AI is helping us create a sustainable future by optimizing energy usage. It can analyze data from smart meters and adjust energy distribution accordingly. This not only reduces our carbon footprint but also helps us save money on our utility bills. Last but not least, AI is taking over the entertainment industry. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to recommend personalized content based on your previous choices. So, you never have to spend hours searching for something to watch or listen to ever again. We hope this video opened your eyes to the incredible ways AI is integrated into our everyday lives. From smartphones to healthcare, transportation, shopping, energy, and entertainment, AI is making a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.